All right, good morning everybody. Good afternoon everybody. It is in fact the afternoon. It is Monday the 24th of February. Welcome back to another video. Trying to do these things a little bit more regularly now, so we're kind of trying to pump out content weekly. Just really enjoying bringing you guys along for the ride of life and general bits that we get up to. This week is pretty much the same as usual. It's business, it's gym, and it's jiu-jitsu. I would usually bring you along to film my leg day. I figured that you've probably seen enough of my leg workouts now, even though today I actually changed my program a little bit to get some more range of motion? Yeah, range of movement, I don't know, in my squats. I want to get them a little bit deeper. Today we're just kind of chilling out until we go jiu-jitsu. We've got to pick Molly and Odin up. They're having a little homeschool day at a friend's. But for me, I'm just chilling, kind of pottering around the house. I've done all the work that I need to do for this week, pretty much. I did that over the weekend, and now I'm just going to do a little bit of garden maintenance, a little bit of house tidying. That's going to be it for now. I'm going to go out and pick all the dog shit up, and then I'm going to get me dad boots on, and I'm going to go around and spike holes into the ground so I can plant some fucking grass seed, because that lawn is irking me. So I've tended to the garden. I spent a good amount of time stomping around, putting holes, into it, just so that some grass can grow. Because our lawn, we're like at the bottom of a street where I think all the water just kind of runs down to. So yeah, it gets pretty boggy out there. So I stomped around, put some seed down. Now I'm gonna cook myself some food. I did a bit of hoovering, put some clothes away. I'm just literally gonna do a chicken breast. And some instant noodles to go with that. I'll just fry this, and then once the noodles done, I'll cut it up, chuck it in with the noodles. I'll probably chuck an egg in there as well, just so there's a bit of protein. I don't eat enough. It's a common theme. I say it all the time. And at the moment we have a lot of food in the fridge. I did a big shop the other day, so hopefully I'll put a bit of weight and a bit of mass on, just because. Yeah, I mean, the only reason I don't get any bigger is because I don't eat enough to get bigger. I work hard enough to be wham, but yeah, I just need to eat more. So on our way to FTT now. We're about to go do some spin jitsu. It's been a couple of hours. The energy in my has actually rapidly declined. We're on to coffee number 2 now, which doesn't feel like enough, but we're both trying to not rely on caffeine too much in life, even though it feels...
I have a problem.
It feels like caffeine is essential.
It's parent juice.
It's poop juice.
Even though it's not actually fuel or energy at all, it's just mental stimulation. But it feels like it makes a difference.
It blocks neural pathways, doesn't it? Like to your tired.
What is happening to me?
Something. You're overstimulated as fuck, aren't you? But I'll be interested to see how tonight's session goes, because just the tiredness levels are kind of crazy. I'm still feeling really, really aggressively run down. And here we are, not rested. I don't preach that to the world though, because sometimes you just got to get shit done.
Yeah?
One more session, and then we're done.
Like big squats.
Oh.
Smash it.
I'm not mentally ready for this.
So up, we keep the cross straight back. Yeah, straight back. Now when you're ready, you want to sort of dip that. You twist the seat, that opens it. And then this hand, and then this hand addresses that. Perfect. Now when you're ready, this is going to go under here, and this is going to go around the cross face, and this goes under. Very good. Now when you're ready, you start lifting more. We keep this, yeah, that's good. And then when you're ready, you'll feel it. You'll feel me want to do this. Yeah. And what he's saying is when I do this, yes, that's right. I'm ready. Exactly. Yeah? You go over it, like lean into me. Yeah, that's how you want it to be. Yeah. And then when you're ready, you start to like almost lift your head back. You need to lift. Yes. See?
Yes.
There.
Remember,
see?
you need smelling this guy food.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're feeling salt.
Because the more straight my leg is, the more pressure on my shitty hip.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And then here, if I'm not going to give it to you, you just move my arm. Then tap like that. Very good.
Oh wow, so where do I even start? Have I started this vlog yet? Oh right, hello everybody. It is now Thursday the 27th of February. We have just finished up a Ghee session in escapology in Cambridge, which is an hour of a class. It was a solid class, it was a hard class, especially, I mean, for both of us.
So quick leg start here, trying to get like my knee out, trying to take away Chelsea's balance. She managed to trap it up.
As you saw some of those rounds, I filmed some of Molly's, I filmed some of mine. I'm not sure what I'll put in here, and we were put into groups that could match the pace of, I think, what we were capable of, or, you know, challenge us. It definitely challenged Molly, it definitely challenged me, there's no doubt about that. It was a very, very hard hour of Ghee, and I don't really train Ghee, neither does Molly too much. We don't really fuck with it. She doesn't get into Ghee much just because obviously MMA, you're not really, sorry about that. MMA, you're not really using a Ghee, obviously you can't really pull, you know, you gotta pull limbs. I digress. I don't do Ghee purely because, well, it's so dark. I don't enjoy it all that much, I'll be honest with you. There's a lot going on, you can grab so much, and I think a large portion of it is that my strength is normally outstrengthed by someone's grip. It means I can't use my weight as much, and a lot of people are really fucking skilled in Ghee. That's normally the thing. And that's not, I don't not do it because I'm not as good, it is harder, so I kind of want to prioritize no Ghee, just so that I could get some base technique and understanding of Jiu Jitsu in the first place, so I give it a little bit of a rest. I might actually start doing it a bit more. So that was really tough, but really fun in so many different ways. I've burnt so much of my fingers off, so, like, you know, from the Ghee and stuff, and my fingers hurt a lot more, which is kind of a nice feeling. But it was very tough. It was really good. I really enjoyed how tough that was. That was an hour of just solid work, just non-stop, just felt like beast mode at times, but at a respectable pace and a respectable, like, we were rolling with a purple belt, me and this other guy called Tim. He was a white belt too, and we were quite, you know, we had some good rolls, and the purple belt we had some good rolls with as well. all in all, like, is a really, really enjoyable session. Thank you for the guys at Escapology for kind of letting us join in. What a day, what a morning. And then to this evening, I've got a one-to-one with Mark as well back at FTT, because I kind of want to just improve some little bits of my jits game. I think a large portion of it would be takedowns. I'm so shit at takedowns, although I got a single leg today and an arm bar, so I did all right, you know. I did all right this morning, considering that we did something like fucking 10 rounds, and I don't normally do that many. My shoulder's feeling a bit sore. I am generally quite sore, but I'm feeling really pleased with that. I feel really positive. It was a very good morning, well worth driving down to Cambridge for it. And yeah, man, I'm just really glad we came, did something a little bit different. And I'm glad we brought the camera so that you guys can see what we get up to. I want to make the videos a little bit more jits focused and a little bit, you know, more in-depth and technical to what my understanding of the sport is, and the same with weightlifting and stuff. So I feel like this is a really good start. I feel very positive. I need some food. I haven't eaten yet this morning. I'm seeing stars. I've been seeing stars for the last half an hour now. Gonna have a little date. And there's the girl. You.